I thought I'd do a quick unboxing video of this Victiv tripod that I just got. It says that it is a selfie stick tripod. Never heard of such a thing, but I'm gonna try it out. Trouble. Okay, the tape is winning. Let's see what we've got. Okay, comes with a kind of a vinyl carry bag. Oh yeah, with a shoulder strap, so that's kind of cool. But it's kind of cheap material, so as much as I love this strap, I don't love this bag at all, but mostly I'm not going to be keeping it in the bag, so it's not going to be a big deal for me. All right, carry bag set aside. This is a mount for the phone. This is a part of the mount for the phone. Again, looks pretty simple. A remote shutter. It actually comes with this remote control so that you can use it to take selfies from a distance using the tripod. There we go. Okay. Manual. Okay, yeah, I mean, sure, standard tripod. Little tick in there for and then it screws. Cool. And then this piece can ratchet down so that you can put your phone in it. It telescopes out a little bit, and that actually works pretty well. Extends up and out of the camera range. Okay. And then for the selfie stick portion of the show, it appears that what they mean by that is that, yeah, that's what I thought. The tripod base comes off and you can use the tripod as a selfie stick. Like that. I don't know that I'll end up using it this way. I actually got it to use it as a tripod, so it actually will work just fine for my needs. It's not super sturdy. It's a little plasticky, but I don't think that I can complain about that. It was actually a great value. Just looking at the little remote control here, and according to the instructions, you have to pair it to your phone. All it says to do is switch on the on button, which is on the side of the little remote there, and I've got it on, and you can see it's flashing blue. And then it says use your phone's pairing function, and when AB Shutter 3 shows, please pair your phone to the device. It doesn't say if that's Wi-Fi or Bluetooth pairing, so let's try Wi-Fi. Now, Bluetooth. Bluetooth. So it's a Bluetooth shutter. So I just said pair, and I'm going to go ahead and go in here and see if I can take a photo with it. It is a little bit plasticky, but I think that's going to work just fine for my needs. I'm not actually going to travel with it very much. It's going to stay stationary most of the time. So for my needs, I think it's actually going to work perfectly, and I'm pretty happy with this. So I hope this helps.